You guys, I actually did a 3-day cleanse. Let's get into the video. So I decided that I really needed to do a 3-day cleanse, and it was on my bucket list for this year. So I decided to go onto the One Juice platform and look at the different types of cleanses that they have. And I saw there's a 3-day, there's a 5-day, as well as a 7-day. I wanted to start off quite light, so I decided to do a 3-day cleanse. And the reason for this was because I was experiencing a lot of bloating and just feeling tired overall. So I just needed a reset to my system. As you can see, we have 8 different juices for 3 days, and you drink 8 juices per day. The turmeric juice had apple, lemon, orange, turmeric, and ginger. The green juice had kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, apple, and lemon. The black lemonade had activated charcoal. It was quite sour. The red juice had beetroot, ginger, carrot, apple, and lemon. The pink lemonade, it had lemonade. It's raspberry, but it was sour. The balance had a pineapple, apple, lemon, and mint. So yummy. And then lastly, the probiotic ginger had ginger, apple, lemon, a probiotic. Now, just to get into some of the benefits of cleansing, it eliminates all solid food and all bad stuff that we consume on a daily basis, and it provides you with all vitamins and nutrients that you need to be able to detox your body and restore your body and your gut health, as well as to help you to lose weight. This was the first one I would have in the day. As you can see, it was very sour. I did not enjoy this one at all. So you drink the 8 juices in 1 to 2 hour increments throughout the day, ideally in the order that they give you. The second one is the turmeric juice. I absolutely loved this one. It was so yummy, very delicious. The third one was the green juice. It wasn't too bad. It tasted very healthy. Wasn't too sure how I felt about it. Then we had the red juice. This was all vegetables. It was not great, but it was bearable, to say the least. It was okay. Now we had the pink lemonade. Oh girl, this was sour. I would just hold my breath just trying to get through this juice. It was not nice. One of my favorite, the balance. Oh, it was so yummy. It was like a smoothie. Absolutely delicious. I really, really loved it. And then we have the probiotic ginger. This one also was not too bad. I wouldn't say I really enjoyed it or I hated it. I was meant to drink the 8th juice that evening, but I think I was just too full. My stomach could not take it, and the 8th drink was the green juice, which I did not love. As you can see, I am enjoying this turmeric juice. I could drink like 8 of those in a day. They were so good. But obviously, each juice has a particular purpose, so I wasn't gonna cheat. You'll see the best results if you cut out all the bad stuff. So you can't have any alcohol, no caffeine, and no solid food while you're detoxing. If you do feel like you need to eat, you can try a light broth vegetable. First day, honestly, was not too bad. And I think that's because I do fast on a weekly basis. So that helped me a lot. I did not feel that hungry. Anyways, I think I was focused on just getting work done, so I was quite busy in the day, and it helped not having to think about what meal am I going to make next. I think this was day 2. I'm not too sure. Yeah, it was. Looking at the outfit, day 2 was tough. I was starting to get really hungry. I was fatigued. I was getting headaches. I was almost ready to quit. And bear in mind, this was winter. I was trying to keep myself warm because I couldn't keep myself warm with food, so the heater was just going to have to do. But I managed to get through it, and this was my last day. As you can see, there's about 3 juices that are left, and of course I'm having one of my favorites, which was the balance. As you can see, it made me so happy, and I was just ticking off every time I drank the juice. It was motivation, so I just drank my last one and I was done. I was so happy. I can't believe I did it. Honestly, by day 3, you feel like you can go on for like 5 more days. I felt so great. It was amazing. Thank you, Lord, for getting me through it. While I was doing this cleanse, I was also fasting, and I just experienced God in such an amazing way. It was such a beautiful experience, and I would recommend it to anyone. This was me about to go to bed. I conquered the fast, drank all my juices, did not cheat or eat or anything at all. So I was very, very happy with myself. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Our subscriber for the week goes to the Knowles family. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you to all of you guys who have stuck with me through the past few months, even though I have not been consistent or posting. But your girl is back, and I can't wait for you guys to see all the content.